Okay, now we've got this is a fridge master something. It's not making cold, but it is making a sound. So yeah, this is it. It's not making cold, but it is making a sound. Yeah, it is. The compressor is alright. You can see it's those old compressors. It's alright. It is making a sound, but it's not making cold. Now we're going to try and refill it. The first step we're going to take when we're refilling is to put the valve on. Yeah, this is the valve. The only tool you will need for the valve is this, the map gas. So we'll be putting the valve on now. So when putting the valve, we first have to bend this and make a housing for it. Yeah, so we're putting it in here, and then we tie it with a pliers. We tie it with the pliers so that it doesn't move. Yeah, and then we're now going to braze it. We're brazing it now. And now braze it. Yeah, we now finished raising the valve. Now what's left now is for us to fill in the